Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Remind School Communication app on device. Now if you don't know how to download the Remind School Communication app on a device and you want to install it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to install Remind School Communication app on a device, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So if you're not connected to Wi-Fi or kind of data on a device, then you won't be able to install it. Now to do so, you may simply scroll from the very top right and you may connect to Wi-Fi, and after connecting to Wi-Fi you may open App Store on your iPhone. So if you're an Android user, then you need to open Play Store on a device. So this is the home page of App Store, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now you need to click on the option of search at the very bottom right, and from here you need to search the option of Remind. So after searching the option of Remind, you will see various options. So you need to click on the option of Remind and the symbol will be R, and here you will see the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue. So you need to click on it, and after clicking on the option of Get, if you are installing it for the first time, then it asks you to verify by double pressing on the power button, and after that you may click on the option of install. So after installing, as you can see, it has already been started to install on my device. It may install on yours like this too. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to install the Remind app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.